This is salt. Salt is a naturally occurring mineral in our body systems, and we were actually incubated in a saltwater solution when we were in our mother's womb. Salt is a crystalline structure, and it is the means by which we hold the vibrational frequency of our memories. All of our memories, our consciousness is a vibrational frequency that needs a container with which to hold it. Okay, so we hold and store all of our memories in the salt crystalline structures in our brain, which is basically one giant sponge full of different neural pathways that lead to different memory systems and means of retrieving the things that are stored in the crystalline structures of the salt. So we require salt in our body, and our body naturally and regularly flushes the salt through tears, through sweating, and if we're taking an Epsom salt bath, it helps us to release any stored salt in our body. When we have stored traumas, those are also held in salt molecules, and those are released during periods of shedding and releasing those traumas. This substance is sugar. This is not naturally occurring in our body or in the world. It's a very concentrated, highly addictive substance. When we take this in, this is also a means of storing trauma coding. And this particular substance was engineered as such, or is by chance, something that actually creates additional cells to hold more trauma coding. So this makes and helps stimulate the creation of fat. Fat is a substance where we store more of these crystalline structures that hold trauma. So this is something that when we take it in, it creates more cells to hold more trauma codes. Likewise, sugar, as it comes into our bloodstream, creates a molasses-like viscosity. Okay, our blood should be flowing and oxygen should be coming through us. This slows down the flow of our blood. So this creates a lack of oxygenation to all the rest of our cells and body systems. The fascinating thing about sugar is, although this is the most highly addictive and perhaps the cornerstone of most disease in the human body, no regulation at all. No talk of this during the midst of a global pandemic. But cutting out sugar will have an immense impact on your immune system, the vitality of your cells, and your ability to oxygenate your body. So keep this in mind as you are being aware of what you're consuming.